Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I wanted to give you an overview of our 4-600 set. This is one of the most popular sets that we sell, and it's a fantastic lineup of automatic taping tools if you're looking to get into the drywall finishing with automatic taping tools. Absolutely fantastic place to start if you're willing to invest just under $3,000. So the value is absolutely incredible. This set covers everything you're going to need to tape your joints, to finish the joints. It's just going to give you the complete lineup. So I'm going to walk you through the different tools that are in this set. First of all, we're going to start off with the pump. So you've got our compound pump, which again, this is a workhorse. This is the key to most sets of automatic taping tools. You can see the high quality anodized parts throughout this entire pump. You've got easy release clips on the handle for easy disassembly and storage. You also have a quick release on the bottom, so it's an easy clean foot on the bottom. Plus you've got your easy release clips here, so you're able to pull that tube apart, take this apart, and clean it very, very quickly. The other thing you're going to find with our pump is it comes with a filler. It comes with your box filler that you can use for your boxes. You can even use it for an automatic taper and hold your taper directly into the fill valve. But we include a filler with our pump because we want you to be able to use this pump right out of the box. A lot of our competitors, you have to end up buying the filler for 60, 70 bucks after the fact, so you could get a pump that you can't even use out of the box. I don't believe in that. We want to make sure you can use the tool out of the box. Of course, you're going to get your gooseneck along with that. Gooseneck is going to be used to fill your automatic taper. So again, starting with the pump, workhorse part of the system, you're going to use that for pretty much every tool. Then you move into our automatic taper. This generation of automatic taper is absolutely fantastic. Very robust, high quality construction, a lot of billet aluminum. Matter of fact, I don't know that there's any cast pieces of aluminum on here. This is all very, very highly machined, precision machined. We've got 20 plus CNC machines running 24/7 to manufacture this. We've got an easy clean head, easy removable plate, so you're able to pop that off and easily clean out any joint compound that may be left after your taping. But again, just very, very high quality construction, very smooth operation right out of the box. And again, you'll be really, really pleased with how smooth that runs. So taping your joints, you're going to use this automatic taper. Then you come into the flat boxes. We offer two sizes of flat boxes in this set. You're going to get a 10-inch and a 12-inch flat box. Use your 10-inch for the fill coat. Run that typically on a 0 or 1 setting, and then you're going to come back after that's dry, and you're going to run your 12-inch box to feather that joint out on probably a 2 or 3 setting, just a skim coat over that. These flat boxes are absolutely fantastic. You'll notice that it's really just 2 clips on the back there. It opens wide open so that you're able to clean it out easily. So you can see how wide that opens up there. So for easy cleanability, which is really important on the job. You're always going to make sure you clean your tools after every job, and the easier they are to open up and get to the places where mud can build up, the easier, the better it's going to be for the longevity of the tool. With that, this set has our standard handles. An upgrade to this set over time could be extendable handles. Comes with a standard 42-inch flat box handle. That's our most popular handle. Again, it's a workhorse, super strong, very simple. Wraparound brake mechanism. Level 5 is one of the first companies to come out with this wraparound brake mechanism, not the dial system that's on the side, which is unreliable, wears out quickly. But this gives you infinite adjustment, and this is going to give you a full, it's going to give you a full 180-degree plus rotation with your flat box. So that's the 42-inch flat box handle. Again, standard handle, not extendable. Then we've got our corner applicator box. Comes with a 7-inch corner applicator box. That's going to work with your angle head, which I'll talk about in a minute. We have a 3-inch angle head that comes with the set. And again, you can see just very, very smooth operation. Attach that angle head to the front. You can use that to finish both sides of your inside joints in one swipe. Again, a very, very handy tool. Comes with a corner roller. Of course, you're going to roll your tape into the corner after you put your tape in with your automatic taper. You're going to roll the corner tape in with your corner roller and this corner roller handle. Of course, then you got your 3-inch corner finisher that you're going to flush over top. You can use this to flush in the corner first after you've put the taper, you've run the tape on the joint with the taper. Then you've rolled it in with your corner roller. You're going to go back and flush it out with this 3-inch corner finisher. Again, super high quality, billet aluminum the whole way around, stainless steel clip on the back side, stainless steel frames, carbide blades and skids. A lot of companies go with stainless steel skids and carbide blades because it's less expensive. We actually use carbide the whole way around so that this wears more evenly, and it's going to give you a really long run performance. And again, you're going to be very, very pleased with this. Super high quality, again, precision machined on one of our 20 plus CNC machines. You got your corner finisher handle. This again will be used to flush in your corners with the corner finisher, and then your corner applicator handle. Again, standard handles across the board for this whole setup. You can't go wrong with this setup. Like I said, it's probably one of our most fairly priced setups out there. Of course, all level 5 tools are always fairly priced, but you can't go wrong with this getting into this. So that's the 4600. You're going to want to look for that at your favorite place to buy. And we appreciate it. Level 5 is dedicated to the finisher. We work with finishers every day. We're finisher first. We're known for our legendary customer service. We hope that you consider Level 5 tools when you're moving into automatic taping tools. Welcome to the Red Zone. But wait, that's not it. Bonus, with the 4600, you get this free hand tool set. That's what I said, folks, free hand tool set. You're going to get a full lineup of our stainless steel knives here, 4, 5, and 6-inch joint knife, 8, 10, and 12-inch soft grip taping knives, and our 3 specialty tools, our 9-in-1 tool, our clip knife, and our pie-shaped knife, along with our famous bucket scoop that everybody loves. Bonus item free with the 4600. You can't go wrong. Welcome to the Red Zone.